very active and connected lives. Our brains are constantly multitasking, juggling work, family, and modern technology. Multitasking and an active mind are essential for much of our life. But like most things, overdoing it can create an unbalance. For some, this can mean missing out on the present moment while worrying about the future. Others can have a hard time slowing down and disconnecting from technology without feeling anxious or restless. Thankfully, through meditation, we can train our brain to be less frantic. With practice, you'll develop a natural sense of calm and relaxation while still juggling a busy lifestyle. Let's walk you through how meditation works so you understand the basics. You're probably familiar with the classic meditation scene, a person seated with eyes closed. But what is she actually doing? Now, imagine yourself in this seated position. Left without any instruction, your mind would likely wander. You might start thinking about what's for dinner tonight, or worry about upcoming bills. The goal in meditating is to train your attention by using your breath as an anchor. You focus your attention on your breath as you inhale, pause, and exhale. If your mind wanders, simply acknowledge that a thought has occurred. Then let it go without judgment, and gently return your attention to your breath. That is the mindful meditation process that you will be practicing. Over time, your brain will go from a fragmented multitasking mode to one that is focused. You'll notice less need for constant stimulation and find a comfortable and balanced state of mind. If you're new to meditation, don't worry. We'll be here to guide you every step of the way. You can begin today, wherever you are. Grab a seat and let's get started.
Hi, quick question. Are you done learning? No, of course you're not. Lucky for you, there's plenty more to learn. But where do you find the time when everything and everyone around you is clamoring for your attention? Easy. You use GoodHabitz. Learn what you want, the way you want to learn it. Swipe, click, watch a video, read a magazine, and take a test. Whenever it suits you, and only when you feel like it. The possibilities are endless. Achieve more in less time, excel at Excel, do what makes you happy, scrum like a master, brainstorm like a boss, kick your social media addiction, or relax more with a bit of mindfulness. GoodHabitz super fun training courses are good for you and your career. Do just one or do them all. Oh, and another thing, new courses are added every month. Give it a try, but be careful, you might just learn something new.
It's not every day that you revolutionize an industry. Most advances are small, steady as she goes, incremental. This is small too. 9.3 microns, 9 millionths of a meter, an eighth of a human hair. But that's huge. It's exponential. 9 millionths of a meter is causing a complete paradigm shift and will forever change what it means to go to the dentist. That's a pretty bold claim, but it's a pretty bold machine. Solea is the world's first CO2 laser cleared to cut both hard and soft tissue. It's the perfect drill, because it's not a drill. It's a laser so advanced it cuts through everything, even the industry BS about lasers. Solea all but eliminates the drill, eliminates the pain, eliminates the anxiety. It's virtually soundless, painless, sensationless. Solea makes going to the dentist not a big deal. And that's the biggest deal of all.
Modern communication is chaos. You email, you IM, you text, you talk, you CC, you BCC. Upload files in one place, link them somewhere else. Suddenly, someone needs a crucial file, so you pick through folders and inboxes, third-party notifications, threads, and chats, because you can't remember which way the message came, or what exactly that attachment was attached to. It's a scramble. You make it work, but making it work is hard work. Life can be much simpler. Slack is simpler. Slack brings everything you need for teamwork into one place. Conversations happen in open channels, one for each project, each department, each office location. Here, you can upload files, drop links, forward emails, throw ideas around. A quick glance at a channel lets you know how a project is progressing or what a department is working on. If you're new, you're not met by an empty inbox. You're met by the collective knowledge of the team, nicely sorted into individual channels. And if someone moves on to a different project, their input isn't locked away where old emails go to die. It's all there. A powerful search puts what you're looking for in your hands in milliseconds, searching every channel, every message, every document ever uploaded. With Slack, you're as in the loop as you want to be, from wherever you are, by setting notifications to the level you want. And all the services and tools you need integrate directly into the channels where you need to use them. It's about having all the information at hand to do whatever you do as well as you possibly can. More productive, more transparent, more efficient, and no more email. That's Slack.
It's fun shopping for things. A printer, a cool new smart fridge, a robot vacuum cleaner. But do you find it tedious to download, configure, and keep up with each app on your phone? The more you buy, the more apps you have. Now you can pull it all together using Line to control everything. Line Things uses Internet of Things technology to make your life simpler. It reduces the need to work with separate apps and takes care of setup. But the coolest thing? It works by chatting. To you, the things in your home, and things out and about. So you can wake up to a lovely message. Pop to the gym. And get a motivational message from Line Things. Great news. At work, your home aircon system might contact you. So you can stay in control wherever you are. Bought something new? Just plug it in. And it's set up and added to your Line Things system. Now you can keep everything together and make controlling the things in your life as easy as chatting to friends. Line Things.
Every day, money changes hands. Purchases are made. Securities are traded. While software and the internet are making these transactions more convenient, the financial assets being transferred still move over antiquated systems connecting clearinghouses, correspondent banks, and central depositories, which means it can take days for funds to reach an account or a stock trade to settle. Not only are these systems slow, they're expensive and increasingly insecure. We're changing that. Chain enables financial assets to be issued and transferred in a natively digital medium using a new model called a blockchain. On a blockchain, assets move between parties directly and instantly. Think of a blockchain as a digital network of safety deposit boxes that can secure assets like currencies, securities, derivatives, or even loyalty points. Each box is locked with cryptographic private keys held by an institution, business, or individual. Transferring funds is as simple as using those keys to unlock a box and moving the assets to another box, which is secured by the keys of the recipient. Clearing and reconciliation become redundant because each transaction is only one step, just like handing someone physical cash. It's faster, less expensive, and more secure than the financial infrastructure we rely on today. And it's enabling firms to create services that were never before possible. Chain partners with leading organizations to do exactly that. Using ChainCore, companies can launch a blockchain network for their market or connect to a growing list of networks that are transforming how assets move around the world. ChainCore is open source and designed specifically for the scalability and security requirements of the financial industry. Visit chain.com to download ChainCore and begin building better financial solutions from the ground up.
Filmmaking is a complex and collaborative process, requiring vision, tenacity, and the right partners. Amazon Studios Technology partners with filmmakers and studios teams to deliver technology that meets their needs and helps them deliver content that people love. Studios Technology supports all aspects of content creation, leveraging Amazon tech like cloud computing to reduce production costs, improve efficiency, and increase security. Before lights, camera, action, a film needs computers, networks, and on-set wireless. Tech innovations support the movie magic, like creating a faster way to send footage to visual effects vendors. Creative systems for managing digital assets like cuts, music, and subtitles support both the filmmaking and localization. The business uses Studios apps to track key milestones, ensuring everything is in place by the release date. And from script to screen, measures are in place to protect content from pre-release leaks. The collaboration between filmmakers, Amazon Studios, and Studios Technology brings popular, high-quality content to Prime Video customers. Studios Technology. We're here to help.
The path to parenthood isn't always a straight line. For some, surrogacy is the solution, but the current system is broken. It can take years to find a surrogate. Costs can be astronomical, with a process that's sometimes discouraging and unclear for everyone. That's where Nodal comes in. Nodal is changing surrogacy forever, with intuitive matching technology that allows vetted surrogates to match with intended parents, fast. Nodal is the only platform that lets surrogates make the first move, giving both parties a new level of control over who they match with. Whether you're a surrogate or prospective parents, our experienced Nodal staff will provide you with educational materials and tools, community support, insurance education, and legal resources. You'll get visibility, equity, education, and support every step of the way. And there's no commitment, and you can cancel anytime. Finally, surrogacy that's faster, fairer, and more cost-effective. Nodal, surrogacy the way it should be. Learn more at nodal.com.
The brightest brands attract passionate customers who hold their favorite brands close to their heart and top of mind, but they are often scattered far and wide. Bringing these customers together can bring real value to your brand. The Chaordix community platform is used by curious and remarkable brands to engage with customers, unlocking their creativity and insights. Unlike forums or social networks, Chaordix helps you build authentic connections between your brand and your users in a space you own and control. Give customers a place to collaborate and create while gaining instant access to valuable insights, product feedback, and user-generated content. It's time to connect with your customers at chaordix.com.
We all crave clarity and organization. We want a quiet space to think, and we want all the information we need to be there when we need it. Notion gives you both. Whether you're working on your own or on a team of thousands, Notion provides a single space to organize everything that matters. One space to capture your thoughts, manage your projects, or even run an entire company. Every team can have their own home base. Notion is a single home for all your need-to-knows and need-to-dos, displayed any way you need to see them. Notion gives you a clean, open surface where you can think, write, and plan. Just start typing. It's that simple. Or add any other type of content you like. Images and videos. And much more. Design pages exactly the way you want them. And when you change your mind, rearrange them with a simple drag and drop. Everything in Notion can be customized to grow and change with you. Create as many pages as you need. Pages focused on today. Pages plotting your path to tomorrow. Nest pages within pages within pages, so that everything has its place. And you have clear pathways to everything. Find anything with a few clicks. Whether it's your team wiki, product roadmap, meeting notes, or personal tasks. When you use Notion with your team, you share a workspace so that everyone has the same source of truth. Collaborate on the same page at the same time. Or work asynchronously across time zones. And pick up right where your teammates in London or Seoul left off yesterday without missing a thing. And it goes far beyond documents. Create databases to manage team-wide projects, track deals, onboard new employees, publish to the web. Everything you see can be modified to fit you and your team. In a world of too much information scattered across too many tools, sending too many notifications, Notion offers something new. A calm, clear place to focus on the things that actually matter to you.
This is David. As a farmer, David grows potatoes and carrots and is known to produce some of the best yields among others. However, David's business wasn't always this good. Almost 5 years ago, David's farming challenges knew no bounds. Pest attacks, poor infrastructure, low yields, uncertain market prices, and most importantly, lack of funds at the beginning of every crop season. That's when he needed Vana. David visited the nearest Vana center and registered himself as a partner. He can now tell Vana exactly what he needs and can access high-utility farming tools and equipment. Not just that, Vana also provides timely advisory to David about land preparation, sowing, crop nutrition and protection, and harvesting. With wider market reach and resources through Vana, David can now choose from a variety of crops that are recommended to him after analyzing his farm's conditions. What's more, Vana provides credit on inputs and infrastructure to David and his fellow farmer partners, with easy repayment structures nurturing their financial growth. Apart from best-in-market pricing and immediate payment for his produce, Vana upskills David with cutting-edge technologies and inventions to help him have a sustainable business. And now, David has expanded his business and continues to grow unlike ever before. Vana, redefining agriculture.
Meditation has been shown to reduce stress, to improve focus, and create the right conditions for healthy, restful sleep. Headspace is guided meditation for everybody, no matter who you are or what you do. whether you're just starting meditating or whether you've been doing it for years. We can help you to train your mind for a healthier, happier life. To get started, visit headspace.com or download our app. Once you're all signed up, choose a topic you'd like to focus on. Let's see, sleep? Or maybe self-esteem? And we'll suggest the right exercises for you to try. If you enjoy them and want to learn more, then it's time to subscribe. When you do, you'll get access to hundreds of guided meditations from the Headspace library. There are bite-sized mini meditations for when you're short on time. Exercises to add mindfulness to everyday tasks, like commuting or running. And packs to help you with everything, from relationships to sport, or even sleep. With dozens of packs to choose from, Headspace is your personal meditation guide to just about everything.
English language learning is a £32 billion market in which Pearson has a large and growing footprint. But research tells us that many people who learn English are unhappy with the outcome because the products and services they use don't meet their needs. At Pearson English, we believe the best way to create brilliant English language products that deliver measurable results is to personalize learning for individual learners. A bold vision requires bold innovation, so we've brought our existing businesses together to create an integrated organization. The product and technology teams design and build all Pearson English products. The marketing teams create brand and communication guidelines for our products. The go-to-market channels create sales and marketing campaigns for the products that are relevant to their customers. All Pearson English products are built from common DNA, a set of tools that allow us to personalize learning for individual learners, which includes the global scale of English, the Pearson English syllabuses to ensure our products have consistent characteristics, a content ecosystem with a single workflow that simplifies the storage, retrieval, packaging and distribution of content, a portfolio of technology capabilities, and data management and analysis expertise used to track learner progress and improve our products. With the common DNA, we'll be able to measure a learner's current proficiency against the global scale of English based on their needs, their preferred learning style, their interests, and customize a learning program for them. We'll be there to provide feedback along their journey, celebrating their achievements, and if things aren't working out as planned, we'll set them on a more successful course. We're here to break language barriers. We're Pearson English.
Every year, 60% of your team's time goes to doing things that aren't actually work. That's enough time to get from LA to New York. Walking. With Asana, your team gets that time back. Asana makes it easier for teams to get work done, assign tasks, select due dates, and keep everyone on the same page. You can find the latest and greatest attached to each task. Discuss work details right where work happens. With Asana, your team can view any project in the way they find most useful. They can avoid getting overwhelmed by balancing their workload and removing bottlenecks. With Asana, you can see what everyone is doing and automate processes for the type of work you do most often. And it provides built-in feedback and approvals to keep things moving. Asana is built to scale across your entire company so anyone can see where things are at and how it all maps back to the company goals. So get that time back and get the team organized around the work that matters most. Try Asana today.